With the coronavirus showing no signs of slowing down in the United States, there's a growing debate about wearing masks and other protective gear in public. With more now on that debate, let's head over to Eyewitness News reporter, that is Jan Carabeo. She's live outside of a supermarket in Bensalem with that. Good morning, Jan.
Janelle, good morning. We're starting to see more and more people wearing face masks out in public, especially when they come to a grocery store where they can encounter a lot of people. But for weeks, health experts like the CDC have said that only sick people need to wear the mask, so it keeps the virus to themselves. They also say healthcare workers should wear the masks, and there lies in the argument. If a mask can protect a healthcare worker from getting the coronavirus, can't the same be said for the general public, and should the general public be wearing these masks? They're becoming a sign of the times. Several countries around the world are already instructing the public to wear face masks, and starting yesterday, it's a requirement in Los Angeles. According to the CDC, 1 out of 4 COVID-19 carriers shows no symptoms at all and could be silently spreading the virus. The problem with everyone wearing a mask is they're already in short supply, and healthcare workers on the front lines need them desperately. Dr. Anthony Fauci, the country's top infectious disease doctor, discussed that with CBS's Norah O'Donnell.
One thing you don't want to do is, by recommending that people in the community generally wear masks, is if it takes it away from the people who really need it.
When talking about masks, health experts are referring to the N95 mask. But earlier this week, President Trump suggested a different method of protection.
You know, you can use a scarf. A scarf is, everybody, a lot of people have scarves, and you can use a scarf. Scarf would be very good. And my feeling is, if people want to do it, there's certainly no harm to it. I would say do it, but use a scarf if you want, rather than going out and getting a mask.
What about gloves? Healthcare professionals say they can decrease your risk of contracting COVID-19, but they can also make you sick if used improperly. You should wash or sanitize your hands before using any protective gear, and putting gloves on is basically foolproof. The trick is taking them off.
We have clean finger, hasn't touched any surface that's dirty. Underneath, we're at the clean side of the glove, and that goes into the trash can.
And make sure you put them in the trash can. This parking lot here in Bensalem is actually pretty clean, but the same can't be said for all parking lots. So make sure you throw it in the trash can so no one has to get down there and pick up your dirty glove to do it for you. We're live in Bensalem. Jan Carabeo, CBS 3 Eyewitness News. Janelle, back into you.
All right, Jan, thank you.